Okay, today I'm gonna talk about this 144010. Um, I'm gonna take it all apart compared to the 144001 and also the 12417. I'll talk about kind of the evolution over the few years that what Wltoys has done and from what I can observe. First thing's the box. I don't have it here. The packaging. Sometimes it comes with a foam. Sometimes it's a cardboard box, and sometimes just combination of the two. And I don't know. It depends on the factory or whatnot. I don't know what's going on with them. But yeah, it comes in 3 different retail packages. The price varies a lot on AliExpress. That's where I buy them, and sometimes you get a pretty good deal out of it. And after today, I think I see it just like a little bit over $100 for this car. So let's take a look at this. First of all, when you open it up, you'll notice these clips. They're using a bigger one. It's the same one they use on the 124017. And of course the body style is the same, it's just color scheme is different. Now obviously this one is brushless, and the 144001 is brushed. And this thing's, let me tell you, it get hot in the summer. So it's this one, it really is pushing to the limit for the speed is it's going. And so you just have to be careful when you playing with this. Now however, this little guy, many people test runs it, so I'm not going to do that. I just want to take it apart and show you what the difference is and what I have observed over the years. So let's get started. Let me pause the video and I'll come back. Oh well, I guess let's talk about things that is obvious. Tire colors, of course, is different, but the tires is the same. It's actually heavier than the 144001 tires, which are these. So these, I know I have a custom stickers on it, but these are lighter, and it's actually slightly smaller. It's hard to see. You just have to take my word for it. The battery. They use this thin profile, which is very nice. I like this better than this one that came with the 144001. And then if you also notice, let me see if we can get it close. See the nuts here? It has a titanium finish. Same with the same with this one, the 124017. I'm gonna have a tongue tie saying all these numbers. Okay. Shocks, no change. Throughout the years, it's the same, except the first year when this is launched. All four, the 144010, the brush version, all 4 shocks were the same length. But I think, I don't know when, midway or halfway through the year, they switch it over to a shorter front and a longer. Well, the back is the same. It's just they shortened the front, and this has so far carried all the way to all the Wltoys series, which is great. And also, the 144001, when I first bought it, the initial batch, the plastic is brittle. I mean, lightest hit, and they breaks. But I've noticed, at least since last year, I think the plastic has improved quite a bit. I've been doing lots of crashes in cartwheels, and honestly, I only broken 2 pieces so far, which is surprisingly durable. So I'm pretty safe to say they have upped their quality on the plastic. Now, have they changed it? Will they change it back to poor quality? Who knows? But as far as I can tell right now, uh, these plastic parts are good. Another thing you notice, ooh, I think I lost it. The foam pad, it comes with foam pad on here. Yeah, I think I lost it. So be careful when you open this up. I don't know. You might want to put a little bit of glue in it, because otherwise you'll be like me. Don't know where it went now. So anyway, but that's okay. I got tons of these. So move on. I'm gonna disassemble and talk a little bit more. Okay. Oh, I guess I found this. Okay, what do we have here? Well, at first, when you receive it, you see a gold motor mount. It would be kind of worried, right? You're thinking maybe that's version 1, but no, it's not. As you can see, the gear is a smaller one. Now, people already tested out this car is fast, and so, and looking at, by the way, the screws here, it came out pretty easy. They don't put that much Loctite in there anymore, which is good for surfacing. Let me show you a little bit. Let's see. Make sure I got the right screw. Let's see if we can get that out. Oh yeah. About, wait, which one is it? Yep. Okay. It's hot, so be careful not to touch it after you put that on. Put the torch on it. Same old. And voila, there it is. And as you can see, 4300 kV, 2845 motor. Okay. So as you can see, I think that's what everybody want to see. The transmission is the same, no change there. Now I want to mention one of the big improvements that I really like is they use the bolt for the swing arm instead of the pin version, because this will make it much more sturdy and secure. Over the years, I have broken these little plastic nuts for many of them, and even bending these what's it called? At the arm holders, they call it reinforcement, I think. And of course, ever since I put carbon fiber on it, because I can just make as many as I want. And then, but let's talk about stock version. This design is way superior than the old one, which is this. This plastic tab will break for anything else, or it may just come loose. The pin will just come out. Now there's one drawback, because they use a Phillips head instead of the socket head. So I don't know, especially for the front, it get hit a lot and then it might just strip it out. So it might be difficult to get it out after you play for a while. Other than that, I think overall they use the right amount of Loctite right now. Plastic has been improved. Let's see, what else do I need to talk about? The suspensions, same. I guess you do want to know if they put grease on it or not, right? So let's go and do that. I know this video gonna be kind of long. Pause it. Oops. Same dog bones. Okay, as usual, they put a minimum of grease on it. The grease on here, of course, is useless. You need to push all the way down to the bevel gear, and there is grease on there. It's just not a lot. But I wouldn't go as far as to call it not ready to run, and it feels smooth, so I think it's just fine. You can always put more grease in it, but as far as whether you have enough grease or not, that's I think it's up to your design. I think it's just fine the way it is for RTR. Okay, let me pause a second. Okay, well, let's take a look. There's some grease in it. It's not packed, and I know some people want to pack it, but the truth is, every time I pack it with grease, they squeeze out from the end anyway. So these gonna be like basically open diffs. Unless you put a, I don't know, million weight oil, diff oil on it. Otherwise, anything thin, like even the heavy duty lithium grease, all those gonna just squeeze out. I've used them and tried them, and they all squeeze out, so there's really not a whole lot of point to really pack it tight, in my opinion. So that's that, and I think I've showed you pretty much everything. Everything is the same. Of course, this is a brushless version, which is similar to the 124017. And let's see, any improvements? The wrench. The wrench, the 14401 is plastic. Now they all come with a metal wrench, which is good. This one is useless. Let me tell you. So that's it. I think that's about all. Is anything else you guys want to know? Just put a comment below. I can try to answer them. So as you can see, they are a lot easier to take out. And then there you have your motor, electronics. So yeah, I have to agree, this is becoming one of the best, and I think Wltoys has slowly improving their quality. Now screws, I have not seen them having any improvement. They're still soft and break easy. I think that's pretty much about it.